What is an API? An API, application programming interface, is a set of rules that allows different software applications to communicate and share data. Think of it as a messenger that helps software systems interact without revealing their internal workings. Analogies. Restaurant analogy: you, the user, look at the menu, the API, to see available dishes. When you place an order, the waiter, the API, takes your request to the kitchen, the system, and brings back your food, the response. Weather app example: a weather app uses an API to request weather data from a server and display it to you. Skyscanner example: when you search for flights, Skyscanner uses an API to request flight information from airlines and shows it on your screen. APIs simplify complex systems, allowing applications to work together easily. How APIs work. Request. A web application sends an HTTP request to the API server, which may include user data or authentication information. Processing. The API server processes the request, performing necessary operations like querying databases, and prepares a response. Response. The API sends back a response, usually in JSON or XML format. The application then converts this data into a user-friendly format, like displaying flight results. Genesys Platform API. The Genesys Platform API allows you to manage and interact with the Genesys cloud environment. Key points. Centralized control: manage your Genesys cloud environment from any application. System management: access system configurations and manage conversations. Global availability: the API works in various regions and requests are made to the region where your organization exists. OAuth 2.0 requires secure authorization for client applications. Example use case: a third-party app can request external contact data stored in Genesys Cloud using a specific query format. Documentation: the API URL may vary based on your organization, and detailed documentation is available at Genesys Developer. Genesys API Explorer. The API Explorer is a tool for developers to view documentation, use SDKs, and make API requests directly in the browser. It includes options for various API operations: get, post, put, delete, and is accessible at API Explorer. Interview prep and self-study. Next topic. Genesys Platform API Explorer and Lab. Get external contacts details using Genesys Platform API Explorer. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.